So we just finished up this 2021 Tundra double cab. This truck is featuring our front preload kit, our 1-inch block kit with U-bolts in the rear. I want to just show you, this has actually got the sport suspension in it, so it's got the red shocks in it. So this is the sport setup. We also do it with the yellow shocks for the TRD off-road. But you can see down here, here's our preload collar here. Obviously we do push the liners back just a little bit here, but that's because we're running 35-inch tires on this truck. We did remove the mud flaps. You can still see we've got plenty of room back here in the back of the truck. So it came out really good the way it sits. The stance is great. It's level front to back, as you can see, but we wanted to share with you, this is our preload collar 3-1 lift that we offer for this truck. So if you have any questions on it at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. This is not your traditional spacer lift that stacks up on the top of the strut, pushes the full strut assembly down. This is a preload collar, so it works like a coilover. We just are not making it adjustable for you. We want to make it so we set the quality in it, set the ride height, and everything the way it is set up is just the way we want it. So we get rid of the dipping in the front at the stops, and we get rid of the side-to-side body roll that this vehicle tends to have because of the high center of gravity of the roof line. So again, please don't hesitate to give us a call about this, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have.